Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019. And in this video we're gonna learn how to draw an ellipse. And there are three ways to draw an ellipse, and there are several ways to access this command just simply by clicking on the icon or going as usual to view, then tool palettes, or just by typing it on the screen. I'm gonna go over and click on the icon and choose the center. Then he's gonna ask you to specify the center of the ellipse. You can specify by typing the points and specifying the distance on the x-axis, then the y-axis, like that. Another way, which is axis and the end, he is gonna ask you to specify the end of the ellipse on the axis, on the x-axis, like that. Then specify it on the y-axis, like that. Then elliptical arc, which is the most important one, he's gonna ask you to specify the end point of the elliptical arc, the x-axis, then the y-axis, then specifying the polar, where to start the ellipse and where to finish, like that, making it an arc. You can modify on it by dragging the vertex or doing whatever you want with it. So that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.